Hello, this is Nonna Marie again, bringing you another Sicilian recipe, the taste of the Mediterranean. We're making swordfish today alla Messinese. That means pesce spada in Italian, swordfish, alla Messinese, from Messina. Messina is, oh my God, Messina is a city in Sicily, and it's right where they were like, that's a disaster thing to do, make the bridge connecting Sicily to the boot of Italy. There is a lot of turmoil about this. They've been talking about it since I was a little girl, and now they say that they're gonna make the bridge, they're gonna build the bridge. I will never go on that bridge because there is a lot of seismic things in the water. It's bad. That's why they never built it. But anyway, today we're making swordfish alla Messinese. Okay, these are the ingredients. We have olive oil, of course, garlic, cherry tomatoes. Here we go. These are the one on the wine. They're sweeter. Capers, black olives, parsley, and of course, swordfish steak. This is a little one because I'm a little person. Okay, the pan is hot. We make a nice oil. I don't like to mince the garlic because I do not like it. I never buy minced garlic because that's bitter, that's gross. For me, that's my opinion. I like fresh garlic and I put the whole thing. 2 heads, a little bit more oil. Let the oil taste like garlic. That's also why I never put